Screen தெரியுதா?
தெரியுது sir.
Okay. So now, good evening everyone. So now we're going to start about operators. What are the operators in PHP? Okay, so these are the basic operators which you have seen this in C programming. Okay, so what are operators? Operator name. Anyone can say what is operator? Operator? Why you are using operator in any programming language? So the basic purpose of using operator is operators are special. Okay, they are special type of symbols. Okay, they're mainly used for calculation and comparison. Okay, so in any programming languages, so like okay, so the operators which is similar to you in C programming is, first one is arithmetic operator. Okay, so arithmetic operations such as basic arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division will be performed in this. And coming to second one we are going to see about logical operators. Logical operator's condition is true or false. Okay, so based upon the two conditions. And then third one is conditional if else. Okay, so operator. And next is increment or decrement operator. And other two new operators to you is assignment operator and comparison operator. Okay, so these are the 6 types of operator. So first you will see a small program in PHP. Okay, already I have told you. So you have to practice, start the exam server and practice in PHP. Then you will get an idea about PHP, because web designing PHP is very important. Okay, so first we will see about arithmetic. So plus operator used for adding 2 or more number. Okay, so this is commonly we call it as additional operator. Second is subtraction, minus operator for subtraction. Okay, so to subtract 2 or more numbers, we use this operator, and to multiply any digits, you can use third operator, that is multiplication. Fourth one is division. What is the difference between division and modulo? Okay, so division one, it is used to find quotient of 2 numbers. Okay, this modulo and all you use in and then the upcoming semester you use network security, cryptography, network security paper. So that there will be a theorem. Many theorems will be there using this modulo theorem. So modulo is used to find the remainder. Okay, remainder of any 2 numbers, both the quotient and remainder. Okay, the division was used to find only the quotient alone, but the modulo finds used to find the quotient and also as well as the remainder. So these are the 5. Okay, so these are the 5 operations. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulation. So now we will see a small program for arithmetic operator. So now we can see இதுல வந்து variable, if you want to declare a variable in PHP, you have to use the dollar symbol followed with x. There should be not any spaces இருக்கக்கூடாது. Okay, no spaces should be there. Okay, so dollar $x equal to 5 and 2. So addition, so if you so it is used to add the 2 numbers, the result will be 7. And then continuous subtraction is 5 minus 2 will give you 3. And then multiplication 10. Okay, so division, if you division and 5 by 2, what is the answer? 2.5. And modulo is 5 modulo 2. Okay, mod 2. Calculator, you can see calculator use பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கலாம். Okay, so mod 2 is the quotient will be 2. Okay, quotient is 2. Okay, and the remainder will be 1. Okay, so that is the modulus. Okay, so to find the modulus of 2 numbers is quotient is 2 and modulo is 1. Okay, so these everything echo, you have to use the echo to print the following. Now print the output. Okay, so idhula br tag, edukku br tag use பண்றோம்? For breakup. Okay, so to print in the next line, /n you use in C programming language. Okay, so in this in HTML part you're going to use br tag. You can use br tag in PHP. PHP also support HTML. Okay, so now we'll see how to execute this. Okay, so participants, you can just example வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா it will be easy. Okay, so go to straight away, you can go to right click this and click run as administrator. Example asked, okay, to install. Okay, and click yes, and I have to start the server. Okay, so you have to start the server. See for example here, example running here. Okay, so example is now being enabled. So straight away, so you can click this. Okay, you can click this and start the engine. So you can click this example. Now we can see exam has been opened now. Now we have to start. Okay, we got to start Apache server started at you can see. Okay, it is started. Next MySQL start, FileZilla, Mercury, everything you have to start. Now important thing is for execution of PHP, Apache and Tomcat should be started. Okay, so if you see start, if you press start, you can see in this control box. So some information you can find server information about the Tomcat information, whether it is started or not. Okay, now we can see in this around this run house. Okay, so then you can get attempting to start. So in this you can see that it is not still started. So again you have to press start and you have to you can see the option called as running. Okay, so now you can see status change detected running. So if it is running, it is perfectly working on, and you can just check it. Okay, check it on your browser side. Just go to the localhost 8080. Okay, you can see it will be configure. Okay, perfectly. Okay, so now it just will see how to just will see what will be the output for this arithmetic operator program. Okay, so just copy these things, and already I told you where you have to copy the anything like in Java, you save it under bin. Similarly, you have to save it under the exam. Okay, under your exam, go to exam. First go to C drive. C drive will exam இருக்கும். So under the exam, just C for HT documents. Okay, so in HT documents, you have to save this. Okay, so first we'll see, just save. Okay, so notepad, open the notepad, and you can use arithmetic operator. Okay, so just save as. Whenever you save the program, you have to save the using .php extension. All files, choose all files. இதுல வந்து arithmetic. Okay, either double quotes use பண்ணலாம். Okay, while saving the file, you can also use double quotes for saving the file and put save. Okay, so now you can see arithmetic has been saved here. Whenever you are running the following code, go to run. Okay, so run irukku, so run, choose a run. Okay, from run can choose, just write down the command. Okay, http localhost /hello.php. So you have used arithmetic. Okay, so choose arithmetic.php. So okay, so if you click this, it will be open to your browser or whichever is your default browser. Okay, or if you directly know the syntax, you just now we can see the following output for this. What is the output? Addition of 5 plus 2 is 7, and subtraction is 5 minus 2 is 3. Multiplication is 5 into 2 10. Division is 2.5. Modulo already I told you, it is the remainder. Modulo is na. Okay, so modulo is the remainder. Okay, so modulo is the remainder. The remainder will be 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so now you understood now. So if you know this URL, straight away you can go to the Chrome browser. Okay, and the localhost http localhost arithmetic.php. Okay, now you get the following output for this. Okay, so just you can try. Okay, small programs you can try in PHP. Okay, then it will be useful for later on. If you move on to SQL, it asks for front end and back end connectivity. It will be useful for you. Now you can see this output which is displayed on the screen. And the next we are going to see about the assignment operator. Okay, so second operator. So another thing, assignment operator is used to, you have to set a variable. Okay, variable equal to your value. Okay, or for example, x equal to 5, y equal to 5, and then you have to set the value. Okay, to a variable. Okay, of one value to another variable's value. Okay, you have to set a variable equal to a value to, or set a variable to another variable's value. Okay, so this operator is denoted by equal to sign. This assignment operator main thing is equal to sign. Okay, so now we can see the many examples are there. So equal to is to. Okay, this is a semicolon. This operator is assign the value to the variable. Example, x equal to 5. Next, plus equal to. So this operator, what you have to add the value of the variable. Suppose x plus equal to 5, that denotes x equal to x plus y, 5. Okay, so the value of x will be incremented by 5. Okay, next, subtraction equal to means you have to assign the value. After assigning the value, you have to subtract the value to the variable, that is x equal to x minus 5. Similarly, multiply equal to means multiply the value to the variable. Next is divide equal to is x equal to x divided by 5. Okay, so it's, the value you have to divide it by 5. Similarly, modulo. Okay, so modulo in the percentage na the modulo modulation artham. Okay, percentage means modulo. Okay, this operator is used to assign the value to the variable. You have to find the remainder. Okay, modulation is what? Both the remainder, main thing is remainder. You have to find the remainder. Next, dot equal to. So dot equal to is you have to assign the value to the variable. After assigning the value, new value will be formed. Okay. So now we will see examples for this assignment operator. Okay. So in this program, so you can see in this first is x is declared. Okay. Now x equal to x plus equal to 5. So already 5 inga declare pandrom. Okay. 5 is declared. So what if we increment 5 plus 5 will be 10. So inga enna koduthurom. See a y equal to 8. Inga y equal to 5. Y minus equal to 5. So there what happens is y value. So 8 minus 5 will be 3. Okay, now we see 2 into 3, 6. Similarly, divide. Okay, so now 7 by 2 will be 3.5. So now if you see the modulus, coming to the modulus, 8 modulo 3. 8 modulo 3 is 8. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. So 8 minus 6, the answer will be 2. Okay, so now this is for assignment. Okay, the basic assignment operator. If you want, I can show the output for this. Very easy output only. Okay. So you can try by yourself. Okay, you can try by yourself just by clicking on this. You just copy the copy these things. நீங்களே try பண்ணலாம். Okay, so go to HT documents and then copy these values. Okay, so you have to write on your own. Don't just copy and do it. Just you can try it on your own. Okay, so then these things, the output. Okay, copy it to your notepad, and then while saving it, you have to save using the extension. Already I told you, know. So this is assignment operator. So save as the extension, all files. Go to all files, and then save it as assignment. Okay, so கொடுக்கும்போது assignment dot php double quotesல நீங்க சேவ் பண்ணலாம். இப்போ பாருங்க நான் double quotesல சேவ் பண்றேன். All files க்கு double quotes எல்லாமே ஒரே வாட்டி தான் சேவ் ஆகும். Okay, anything. So it will be same. So it is by your wish. Okay, either you can save it as a double quote or single quote. So no problem. Okay, so now when you have to open this assignment.php, what you have to do, go to this run. Run. Otherwise, if you directly know the browser means, go to this browser, localhost / already I have configured. So no need to go to run again and again. Okay, so already I have put it in my browser. So now this you can see. So proper output has not been displayed here. So you have to remove the comments here. Okay, so remove we have to remove the comments. Due to this comments, it is not displaying this value. Okay, these comments you have to remove it first, and then you have to do it. So while doing the program, remember these comments has to be removed. Okay, remove. So next, echo the values. So next is wait 85. Next, so these things has to be removed because it takes this as a command should be included as / followed with star. Okay, so next, okay, so next is this one. This you can try it. Okay, basic programs you can try it because it will be useful for designing. So now while saving this, file save as. Okay, so you can save it as htdocs, go to assignment, save it as assignment ass.php, saving it as ass. So now we'll see what will get the output for this. So now get straight away go to this URL. Now you can see the output because anything you have to include comments means you have to use this / followed with star. Okay, so இப்போ இதுல include பண்ணும்போது slash போட்டுட்டு star கொடுங்க. இதுதான் நீங்க comment. Okay, so comment க்கு நீங்க pass பண்ணுங்க. Okay, so this is used as a comment in PHP. Okay, so forward slash followed with star. This is just as a command. Multi-line. Here the multi-line command in PHP. Okay. So now the output you can see the value of x is 10. Okay, 5. Okay, so இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க values. And now you can see the values given here is 5. Okay, so 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5 will be 10. So same answer we got. Okay, in this following. So the browser 10, 3, 6, 3.5 and value of 2. So mute பண்ணுங்க participants those who are newly joined. Okay, so now this is the program. So next we will proceed to assignment operators over. Now we will clear. Okay, so remember plus equal to, minus equal to, okay, multiply equal to, divide equal to, modulo equal to, and dot equal to. Okay, so now next one we are going moving on to decision statement. Okay, so that is if or if else. Okay, that is and you can see this in okay, comparison operators. Okay, so next really, so before going to comparison operators in the manner if and if else you have to be thorough. Okay, so what is if and what is if else? So if else உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்ல, so already I've seen this, so no need for explaining you. You know what is if a condition is true means it will be executed first, else if it's not true means then the condition is false. Okay, so you can see the second part of the decision statement is else, because else has commands and executes whenever the condition is false. Okay, so normally a decision statement has two parts. So one has if and second is else. If is executed means what happens is if we supply a condition, it has a block of commands. Okay, it executes when the condition is true. So when the condition is not true, else statement, that is false, is used. So now we can, if you see comparison operator, so why comparison operator are used in PHP? The main objective of using a comparison operators in PHP is you have to check the relationship between the variables and the values. Okay, so there are many type of comparison operators are used in this. Now we can see one by one. The first one is equal to, so two equal to. Okay, that is equal to operator. Okay, so if 5 equal to 5 or 2 equal to 2 equal to, that is returns the true value. Okay, so next is not equal to, that is followed by exclamatory symbol followed by equal, that is not equal to. So not equal to, mathematically equal to put you cross it with the slash, but in the PHP you have to use the exclamatory symbol. Okay, that is not equal to. Okay, so if it returns false now, okay, if it is true means equal to, if it is false means not equal to. Okay, so next third one is less than operator. Okay, less than, if A is less than B, so that's a such condition. Next is greater than operator. Next is less than equal to greater. So these operators you have seen, you have studied in your lower classes. So the same thing as your C. Okay, C program. So C is a basic for everything. So now we will see a simple condition in this program. What will be the output? Now first is 5. X, the value of x on the 5. Y is 2. So if condition 5 only equal to true, if it is 5 equal to 2, so it not, it is true means the first one will be executed, or either if it is false means, okay, the next one will be executed. Okay, so now next one, 5 less than 2, 5 only greater than 2. Appo vandu it, so 5, so first condition 5 is less than 2, that will not be executed. So straight away it goes to the else condition. Okay, so now these are the comparison operators. Now we will see what will be the output for using this comparison, because இதுல வந்து என்னென்ன important, last class we have seen about the PHP, how to declare small program, what are the variables in PHP. Variables operators are important. Okay, if you want to start with work with PHP or any questions in unit 4, they will ask you these variables and operators. Either you get it in 2 marks also, what are the variables and operators in PHP. Okay, so if they ask you with a small example means you can example. Let us see how to execute this following code. Okay, just copy the code snippet and then remember you have to save using ht documents save one. Okay, so I have copied this, the same program, and this is a comparison operator. No, so just you can save as comparison, comp.php comparison. Okay, so remember while saving this, all files lo kodunga and then put it under save. Okay, now you can see the comp save, you can check it. Okay, whether it is saved or not. Okay, now go to localhost and in the URL just type it. Okay, COMP. Now we can see first one, x is not equal to y. Okay, so adala false. Now x is not less than y, so adala false. Okay, so same as you can use other comparison. This is the okay. So இதுல வந்து என்ன இருக்கு? So first condition வந்து 5 equal to 2 கிடையாது. அதனால false னு print ஆயிருக்கு. Next is 5 is less than 2 தப்பு. அதனால false னு print ஆகும். Okay, so now print same as you can use the other comparison. Now we can see the output. If you want the okay, if you want this PDF file, I am sharing it in the chat box. Okay, நீங்க வந்து the file download பண்ணிக்கங்க. Okay, so chat boxல வந்து I'll share the file. Okay, if you want to work it out with the programs means you can just download it. Okay, so both the PHP operator I have shared it now in your chat box. Okay, so you can just download it file now, just you can download it and you can just work out of the programs, just revise all the operators and all the variables. So it has been now shared on your Zoom chat box, you can check it. Okay, so next operator, so we'll see one more operator and I will finish the session because due to that restriction in time we are going to finish the operators. So next we are going to use logical operator. Okay, so logical operators like boolean values. So you know what are the boolean values? So right from first year we are studying the boolean. Okay, C programming. So what are the operators are? Okay, so these things are true or false. Okay, it is used to, the values are just whether a condition is true condition illana false condition. Okay, so true or false will be displayed in this. Okay, now we can see this first operator, AND operator. Okay, logical AND. Okay, where AND is so microprocessor you have studied this AND or not. Okay, by coming to this C programming or in PHP programming, and logical AND. Okay, and next one is logical OR. Okay, and third one is logical NOT. So don't confuse with the not equal. Okay, before you can see the operator is not equal to. There this so only exclamatory mark denotes it is logical NOT. Okay, so now we'll see a small example for this. So in this the value so this is the following code snippet. So in this value of x equal to 5. Okay, so 5 and 5. So what is the output for this? 5 equal to 5. Condition true or false? What will be the output? Can anyone guess the output for this? What will be the output for this? So first condition on the true. Okay, 5 na both the value of 5. Okay, so it is true or wrong. Okay, so now next 5 OR operator, logical OR operator. Okay, 5 R 5. So I can check R 5 not equal to, it's not, so logical not. Okay, so only satisfying condition logical AND, because okay condition equal to, okay, so 5 and 5 are and 5 not equal to 5. Okay, you can just check the condition. So whatever condition, what output will be printing in this. So you can see in this so now we'll see what will be the condition for this logical operator. So for the first condition 5 and 5 is, it will be true. Next or 5 or that is also true and not equal to 5. So both are equal. So true false or wrong. Okay, just we'll see in this in the execution of the htdocs. Okay, so go to htdocs, logical operators. Okay, so go to new text document. Okay, now the condition. Okay, so this is first one, this is logical AND. Okay, so just remove this because this will create a error. Okay, so this is logical OR and third one is logical NOT. Okay, so now we will see the output. Already I will set the output to you. Just we will check it out with the what is the output for this logical. So while saving it is, put it save as and go to see htdocs and go to all files and then you have to save it with the extension. Okay, logical operator .php. Okay, all files and put it under save. So now you can see under logical, you can check logical. Okay, so now we will see what is the output for this. Go to the operators, logical. Okay, now you can see the 3 conditions which is displayed. What are the 3 conditions? True and false. Okay, so this is the okay, true and false is displayed. This is the output for this thing. Okay, logical thing. Okay, so whenever, okay, so whenever these things are true, the next other things it will be false. True, true, and false. You can see the output in this. See, இதே மாதிரி தான் சப்போஸ் இந்த லோக்கல் ஹாஸ்ட்ல ஏதாச்சும் நீங்க ஃபோல்டர் போட்டீங்கன்னா, எஸ்டேட் ஹாஸ்ட்ல ஏதாச்சும் ஃபோல்டர் போட்டீங்கன்னா, சப்போஸ் வினோத்னு என்ற ஃபோல்டரை கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா, இதுல ஃபோல்டர் போட்டு கொடுக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ அது ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஸோ இதுல இருந்து ஃபோல்டர் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா, இந்த ஃபோல்டர் நேம் கொடுத்துட்டு, இந்த இடத்துல சப்போஸ் வினோத்னு ஒரு ஃபோல்டர் இருந்ததுன்னா, ஜஸ்ட் யூ ஹேவ் டு புட் வினோத் and then just type and you will get it. Okay, இங்க object found or object not found வருது. If you create a folder and put it, you will get the output. அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட்ல நாங்க ஷேர் பண்ணதுல உங்களுக்கு ஃபோல்டர் போட்டு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. That is no problem. Next one is increment and decrement operator. Already you know what is increment and what is decrementing. Okay, so x plus plus c plus plus na enna will be incremented by 1. Okay, so value of increment and decremented 5 plus plus means value of 5 will be incremented by 1, and you can see the output 5 plus 1 will be what, 7. Okay, increment twice, and then you can see this decrement operators means decremented twice. Okay, so 5 இதுல வந்து 5 plus plus, so value வந்து 7. Okay, இப்போ 7 வந்து assign பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So z equal to 7. So value of x equal to 5, y equal to 7, z equal to 7. Okay, so 5 7 7. Okay, இப்போ வந்து a ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து x minus minus, அப்போ a ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து என்ன வரும், 3 னு வரும். Okay, so அதே மாதிரி வந்து you can see the output. Okay, so decrement operator, if you see the value of x in prefix decrement of, so the values are decreasing here. Okay, so decrement operator and increment and decrement operator. So these are important things. Okay, so this is known to you. So apart from this, another operator is there. Because of time constraint, you can check with the, already I have sent the file, conditional operator. The conditional operator is, okay, it is used to check on the condition, two condition. Okay, so examples you can see in this. The conditional operator is special type of operator which is used in PHP. Okay, so if there are two expression, okay, so condition for the question mark, exponent 1 and or 2. Okay, இப்போ இதுல பாருங்க 5 is greater than 6. True or false? சொல்லுங்க. Simply you can guess it, 5 is less than 6. அது வந்து false. Okay, so this is a false condition. Okay, so very very easy operator, this conditional operator. Okay, so just you can save this. Let us will check on of this conditional operator, and then we will wind off with this section. Okay, and then just file and save as la poitu, and then a condition, go to this htdocs. Okay, htdocs la all files. Okay, so all files like conditional. Okay, save it as conditional operator. Okay, so condition cond nu kudukuren, cond.php. Okay, so save it as all files, and now we will check what is the output for this. Alright, now the down output is, it is false. Okay, so go to this localhost. This localhost you can just go for the condition, cond condition.php. so output என்ன என்ன இருக்கு, false. Okay, because the condition is false. Okay, so now I'll stop sharing my screen. Okay, so now it is open to you guys for questions.